Make a quick video on my trailer storage bin that I purchased for the car here, so I could have some extra storage space for let's say when you go camping or go up to the snow and you want to put some snow gear in there or camp gear in here. So I wanted to have some extra space to store that kind of stuff. So I already had this trailer hitch carrier that I purchased a long time ago from Amazon. So I wanted to buy just like a toolbox, a lockable aluminum diamond plate toolbox to just place on top of this storage trailer carrier. So that's what I did. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I did here. That's what it looks like. All I had to do was drill 5 holes through the bottom here. It is hydraulic, has hydraulic arms that keep it open, and has a couple latches here at the front which lock it in place, and then you can lock it with a key here, a single key here. It's made by Lund. So basically I drilled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes so I could fit 5 3/8/16 bolts and nuts. So that goes through these steel bars that are on the bottom here. I got 1, 2, 3 steel bars that go along the bottom there, and then I have the bolts coming in from the bottom. You can see that there's 1 bolt head from the bottom, and it goes up. 2, 1 in the center in this with this big a steel support in the middle, and then I got 2 more over there, so a total of 5 of them. So that's what it looks like. what I'm gonna do is make a giant steel washer right here to prevent anybody from trying to pry this apart and pull this box off of the trailer hitch carrier. So I'm gonna put one probably on all 5 bolts there. But basically that's it. I like it. It's nice and big. I'll fit a lot more things on if I take a trip somewhere. Let's see here. It measures, let's see, on the Amazon website it says that it measures about 61 inches, something like that. But it's actually that's the top. If you measure the bottom, it actually measures about 60 inches. So that's important because my trailer hitch carrier is about 61 3/4. So that leaves me with about 1 inch of clearance per side. So it's pretty good. And then I also have about 4 inches here in the back of clearance, and another almost 4 3/4 inches clearance on the back, on the front of the unit that's closest to the tailgate. So anyways, it gives me a lot of room here to work with. Oh, I do have a riser that I purchased. It's made by Kurt to get this trailer hitch carrier another 4 inches from the ground, because I had issues with this trailer hitch carrier scraping on a lot of driveways and stuff like that whenever I would go up driveways and stuff like that. So I bought a 4-inch riser to to bring my carrier up 4 inches. So yeah, if you're gonna have this setup, you're gonna want to do this. So, but then you're gonna have to have 2 pins holding to secure both your riser as well as your carrier. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Dimensions on the inside, I got about 59.5 inches on the inside, and then from here to here is about 17.75, and then going up to the top is about 16.75. And then you got a little bit of space here too, because of the top of this, the top goes up a little bit, so you're gonna get a little more space there. But basically that's it. It's got 2 handles, two latches to release it. It stays open. It does have a gasket that goes around the edge here that I guess is supposed to keep the water from coming in. I haven't tested that yet in the rain, but it looks like it caps the top, so the water should not enter the box. But it is made out of aluminum. It's painted black, and I think it's a pretty good storage solution if you want some extra storage for your car. And you could see, I already told you that you got about 14 inches so that you can move in the back here. If you want to open up your trunk, you could go ahead and open up your trunk, and you got plenty of space, like maybe about a foot away. It's not gonna crash into this thing, and then you can access your trunk area, no problem, no issues there. And see all the space you got there, and it's not too tall, so you're not going to have any issues with cars that are following you. They can still see your tail lights, your brake lights, your signal lights, no issues there. So you don't have to worry about adding lights to the back of this storage bin. And then for a final touch, I wanted to add a little red flag here, so I added a little post here made out of plastic. And then I added some hose clamps down here, stainless steel hose clamps, so that I could clamp this plastic fiberglass post to it, and then put a flag on the end of it. So that way it makes it up a little higher, so like when you're in parking lots and cars are driving around and getting in and out of spaces, they can see that you have a storage bin on the back of your car. So I added that little final touch. And I guess that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share that with you guys. That's what it looks like. I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna take it up to the snow this weekend and fill it up with a bunch of snow toys, snow gear. All right, thanks a lot. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments, and I'll try to get to them. And I'll put all the items that I purchased for this build in my description. And if you like what I'm, if you like my content, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.